Zeus required. Okay. Go ahead. I'll get it for you.
Oh, it smells good too. It smells like Fruit Loops.
Yeah, just rub it in, you know?
You made this?
Yep, I invented all my products. I created all my products. This is what we call like live hair growth stimulation, you know? Like anybody could come here and see that this is real, and it's gonna activate growth and stimulate hair movement instantly. Yeah, rub it in everywhere. In the back, everywhere, yeah. Use some more. Feel free, man. Use some more. Where's the product?
I really like this product. I like the smell and the texture.
Okay.
It's very smooth.
Smoothing, right?
So soothing.
Okay.
It feels like a massage in my hair.
Right? But this is actual science. It's actually activating your cells like right now, literally. It's doing so much, and it's gonna do so much.
I can literally feel
You can feel it, right?
activation.
Thank you. It's not a joke. It's real. It's real. People would never believe that it's real, but it's real, man. And most people who use it say they can feel activation as soon as they do it too. You know. I appreciate it, man.
My hair's a little bit thicker than maybe the most, or a little bit thin or whatever. But upon putting it in and rubbing it in a certain way, I begin to feel the activation. I feel like
Something's happening. Cellular activation, instant cellular activation.
I feel like the micro connections in I feel like the micro connections in the product are really opening my pores to let up.
I know exactly what you're saying. You're talking about the neurological pathways. And it's funny you say that because that's exactly what this product actually does. One of the benefits. It clears the neurological pathways. That means like small veins, you know, that supply the blood to the hair. So right now they're getting like a stronger dosage of vitamins coming from your actual hair.
Look, it has a nice shine.
You like it, right? Look at the effects. Like try to look at the curl pattern, and you know what I mean?
Oh my God, so beautiful.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Perfect. I like this product.
All right.